First, start by unscrewing screws at the bottom panel of chassis. There will be total of 14 removable screws and one pop-open screw which is not removable. Pop-open screw located at left corner of the laptop near headphone jack. Start by removing all the removable screws. Once done, unscrew the pop-up screw which is designed to let you easily open the bottom panel of chassis. Unscrew it until you hear the click sound. At this point the panel should be slightly lifted. Now, open the bottom panel using the scraper as a credit card. Slide the scrapers along the gap to release the clips. Make sure you do this on all four sides before you open, since the chassis edge clips is too small and fragile. Lift the back cover off. RAM slot located behind this black shielding. We will be using DDR4 32GB RAM at 3200 MHz speed from Kingston. This is the supported RAM type for this laptop model. Slowly lift the black shielding, and you can now install the RAM card. Check which side is short and long section of the connectors and match them up with your RAM card. Slot in the RAM card firmly at 45-degree angle and push it down until both clips lock into its place. Close the black shielding once you're done. Now, we are going to install the NVMe SSD. This is the location of an upgradable SSD located. Before you install, you have to unscrew the screw which came with the motherboard. We will be using the 970 EVO Plus NVMe M.2 500GB SSD card from Samsung. To install the SSD, slot in the SSD card at 45-degree angle and push it firmly. And now you can push down and install the screw which you took out earlier. At this point the installation is completed. To make sure you have installed it correctly, put back the back panel chassis without any screw and switch on the laptop. Tap on F2 to enter into BIOS. As you can see, the memory has been upgraded from 8GB built-in RAM to 40GB RAM with an additional 32GB RAM card that has been inserted earlier. Also, you can see the Samsung SSD name appearing at this section, which means the upgrade was successful. Now, you can boot into the Windows to check if you are getting the exact RAM value that you have seen on the BIOS page. From the Task Manager, you can see 40GB RAM has been installed. Also from Device Manager, you can see Samsung 500GB SSD has been installed. Finally, you can shut down the laptop, snap the back panel chassis into its place, and you can put back all the screw in.